Welcome to the Weekend Paths channel. Let's explore together over weekends. We will explore new places, foods, pets, and anything that will make our weekends happy.
Welcome to Seef, Dubai, a cultural destination where tradition meets modernity. Today, we are going to take you on a walk through into Seef and a boating adventure in this historic neighborhood. The Dubai Creek is a natural saltwater inlet that divides the city into two parts, Darya and Bur Dubai. It has played an important role in the city's history, serving as a hub for trade and commerce. Seef, Dubai is a revitalized historic district that offers a glimpse into the city's past. It's a place where old meets new, and where you can experience the traditional Emiratia way of life. The district spans over 1.8 kilometers and features a mix of traditional Emiratia architecture and modern buildings. It is divided into two areas: the heritage area, which is designed to look like a traditional Emiratia village, and the contemporary area, which features modern restaurants, shops, and other attractions. The heritage area of Seef, Dubai is home to a variety of cultural exhibits and attractions, including traditional markets, museums, and a mosque. Visitors can also take a ride on a traditional wooden boat, called an abra, to explore the creek and see some of the city's most iconic landmarks, such as the Dubai Museum and the Grand Mosque. And what better way to explore this district than by boat? These traditional wooden boats, called abras, have been used for centuries to transport people and goods along the Dubai Creek. The boat ride is a relaxing and scenic experience, and a great way to take in the sights and sounds of Seef, Dubai. As we float along the creek, we pass by some of Dubai's most iconic landmarks, like the Grand Mosque. The Abra boats are operated by local drivers, who skillfully navigate through the busy waterway while providing commentary on the landmarks and history of the area. The boats are small and intimate, accommodating up to 20 passengers at a time, which allows for a personalized and immersive experience. The boat ride offers a serene and peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, as visitors can take in the sights and sounds of the creek while relaxing on the comfortable wooden benches of the Abra. The route also provides stunning views of the city's skyline, particularly during sunset when the light reflects off the water and the buildings take on a warm glow. While on a boat ride from Seef, Dubai, visitors can also enjoy watching a variety of birds that can be found along the Dubai Creek. The creek is home to many species of water birds, which can be seen wading in the shallow waters or soaring through the air. One of the most common birds seen along the creek is the grey heron, a large bird with long legs and a distinctive grey and white plumage. The creek is also home to many species of gulls, including the black-headed gull and the slender-billed gull, which can be seen diving for fish in the creek. Overall, bird watching while on a boat ride from Seef, Dubai offers a unique and rewarding experience, allowing visitors to connect with the natural beauty of the Dubai Creek while observing the diverse wildlife that calls it home. As the boat glides along the calm waters of the creek, the stunning views of the city's skyline take on a golden hue, making for an unforgettable experience. The Dubai Creek is home to an incredible variety of boats, from traditional wooden abras to modern yachts and ships. Visitors to the creek can witness a mix of old and new, as traditional wooden dhows, used for fishing and transporting goods, share the waters with sleek modern yachts and speedboats. The best way to experience the infinity bridge is from the water, as the boats sail under it, providing a unique perspective of the structure and its intricate design. The Infinity Bridge in Dubai is a stunning architectural marvel that has become an iconic landmark in the city. As the sun sets over the city, the creek takes on a magical quality, with the boats reflecting the golden light and the skyline providing a stunning backdrop. The creek is also a vital hub for trade, with large cargo ships transporting goods and materials to and from the city's ports. The creek is also a popular destination for luxury yachts and boats, with many visitors choosing to explore the city's waterways in style. Passenger boats that offer tours and cruises of the creek are another common sight, giving visitors the opportunity to experience the beauty of the area from the water. Whether you are a local or a visitor, the Dubai Creek is a must-see destination that offers a unique glimpse into the city's history, culture, and economy. As you travel towards Maktoum and the floating bridge, you can enjoy the stunning views of the city's architecture, landmarks, and natural beauty. You can also see many boats and yachts cruising along the waterways. As we move further along the Dubai Creek, you can see the tall buildings of the Dubai skyline in the distance. It's a contrast to the traditional sights of the era, but it's a reminder of the modern and dynamic city that Dubai has become. Viewing the Maktoum Bridge from a boat in Dubai can be a unique experience. The Maktoum Bridge is one of the major bridges that connect the Deira and Bur Dubai neighborhoods in Dubai, and it spans across the Dubai Creek. The boats turn around as we approach the floating bridge, an iconic bridge in Dubai. Whether you are a history buff or just looking for a unique way to experience Dubai, Al Seef Dubai and a boat ride on the Dubai Creek is a must-see attraction. Overall, Al Seef Dubai is a unique and must-visit attraction that offers a fascinating blend of history, culture, and modern amenities, all set against the picturesque backdrop of the Dubai Creek. We hope you enjoyed this video of Al Seef and boating in Dubai. If you want to see more travel and adventure videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the Weekend Paths channel. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos that showcase the most exciting and beautiful destinations around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.